the manager, Tians, Grill and Nyama, Choma. One thing that I would just want to tell you is that I've gotten so much encouraged that I can be able to meet so many companies here who does probably what we've been admiring to do. As Tians, our main aim is to do one thing. To do two things, sorry. Number one, the very main motive of Tians, Krill and Nyama Choma is to create as many as possible jobs. Tians Grill has created a job opportunity for 102 people. We are targeting probably to have 500, God willing. So that is one of our main aim in business. Number two is to offer the best service, because we believe once we give the best service, we shall be in business, we shall be afloat, and also we are going to keep our workers on float. So mine is simple, is just to tell you thank you so much, the organizers of this event, because of giving us this opportunity to showcase what we have. It's been long, and I think everyone that is here has appreciated. Thank you so much. For the young girl, I don't know where she's gone.
Amenda kuji excuse kidogo.
Okay. I think on behalf of her, as much as we do Nyama Choma and a lot of food, I think ni vizuri niende off guard kesho kwa sababu atakuja kununua. Now that hayuko hapa, nafikiri nitampatia shilingi 5,000 umpatie. She can come and do some.
Wapi makofi jamani. For the 5,000, allow me to be very straight as nisiguze pesa wenyewe. Dad ako wapi? Dad, all right. I will receive on their behalf. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, see, that's our proper